Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your own GIF sticker for Instagram. First, let's go into Instagram. From here, you are going to tap on the message icon. Then you will select the message that you would like to send the GIF sticker to. And you are going to tap on the sticker icon. And from here, you are going to select selfie. Then you can simply create a GIF that you want by tapping on the infinity sign right here, the boomerang sign right there. Then you can tap on the arrow pointing up to send it, or you can tap on save GIF. As you can see, the saved GIFs right here. And that's it. As you can see right there, that's how to create your own GIF sticker on Instagram. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.